Want to grow bigger, healthier tomatoes? Proper pruning is the key. In this video, I'll show you how to prune your tomato plants for maximum yield and disease-free growth. Pruning helps improve air circulation, prevents diseases, and directs the plant's energy towards fruit production rather than excess leaves. Imagine your plant focusing on making juicy tomatoes instead of just growing leaves. Start pruning when your tomato plant reaches about 18 inches tall. Avoid pruning too early or too late, as timing is crucial for plant health. You'll need sharp pruning shears, gardening gloves, and a disinfectant to prevent disease spread between plants. Always sanitize your tools before you start snipping away. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify suckers. Suckers are small shoots that grow between the main stem and branches. These take away energy from fruit production. Snip them off to keep your plant focused. Step 2. Remove lower leaves. Trim off the bottom leaves, especially if they touch the soil. This reduces the risk of fungal infections. Step 3. Thin out dense growth. Remove excessive foliage to allow better airflow and sunlight penetration. This ensures healthier fruit development, but watch out for common mistakes. Avoid over-pruning, which can stress the plant. Also, don't prune during hot afternoons, as this can lead to wilting. Prune regularly, but moderately. With proper care, you'll enjoy a bountiful tomato harvest. Happy gardening!